Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an epic song. Okay, go over here on the recording and go record some audio for your song. I improvise because improvising is much better than actually taking time and effort to write a script because that hurts my fingers and I do not like typing. So I'm gonna record and then I'm gonna show you what to do with that. Okay. So I finished recording the song for now, and we're gonna add some more stuff over it. But first, we gotta choose a picture for the video. The way I do this is that I shut up, Diego. No one likes you. And then you just go in one of my folders and just choose any random folder we want to. So I'm gonna go and have a look. So this is the picture I chose. It's a very funny picture. Ha 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 ha. I mean, that's one of the things you need to be an epic gamer. You gotta be funny. Wanna be an epic songwriter? You gotta be funny too. So now we're gonna have to add the audio onto the video. Okay, so as you can see, I went into here, found the music, and then here it is. But you gotta add some more music over it. So to do that, you see this here. You gotta record. You gotta record narration. So I'm gonna do that and add some more music. After that, you gotta make it extra loud. You see, it's on Movie Maker, so it's like much better editing, as you can see. So I got it all the way to the top. And then you go over here. We need to add more. We need to add more, don't we? So I go going for high definition display, and then save it as song here, and so now we just go wait for it to finish. I'm gonna stroke my dog. Come here, Diego. Oh, he's hiding. He's too scared. Oh, he just went behind. Oh, well, it's just you and me. So look at this. Look at this bar here. Okay, so now we just gotta, okay. Now we just got this new project. We already thinking this, so no. And then we gotta add the other video. Okay, so I recorded some more music to add to this one, so we can make the song even longer. And I'm gonna put it all the way to the top. And now, you know what else? I'm gonna add more. See that? More. So I finished recording that. When we gotta do it all the way to the top. And that's about it. We finished the song. And I don't want you to hear it yet, because I'm gonna upload it to YouTube right after I finish this tutorial. This song will be called the tutorial song by yours truly, MC Beanie. So bye bye.